Welcome to Cooking with Bobbi Jo. This is Nolan. Nolan, are you already bored and we haven't even started? Well, I gotta go get Bobbi Jo so she can entertain everybody. Since you're bored and tired. You're a handsome boy though. You're new to the kitchen though, so you don't know all the rules yet. Oh, you're gonna lay down and take it easy, huh? Okay, we're gonna be making a zucchini doggy treat today since we have all this garden zucchini to do stuff with. Come on, Nolan. Get up there with Bobbi. Come on, up here. Now sit down. Sit, Nolan. Okay, so today we are making Jack's birthday treats, and we're going to be using zucchini, peanut butter, whole wheat flour, a little cinnamon. That should be enough because the zucchini should have enough moisture. We'll see. We may have to add a little bit of water to it, but we'll check. We're going to pour this in this bowl. Nolan. We're going to add in, I'm going to start off with a half a cup of flour. This is whole wheat flour, but you can use oat flour or whatever you want. Oh, this is a fourth of a cup, so I need to do 2 of these. Hey there, buddy. What you doing, my nose? Hey, don't eat the flour yet. Bobbi. We're not going to stick that back in the flour. We want to cook that flour, Bobbi. Okay, let's add in the peanut butter. Bobbi is all about peanut butter. Anybody that's watched my cooking with Bobbi Jo videos knows she is up here all about her peanut butter. This is bowl in the video, and we're going to add a little bit of cinnamon. Hey, Bobbi, we're going to have to wash this tablecloth when we're done. This is our doggy table. We don't cook human food over here unless everything's washed down good. Now I'm just making enough treats for the dogs, 5 dogs. Actually, if they're small treats, there would be enough for a couple. I'm going to make bigger treats though. But you just want to form a ball of dough with all that peanut butter, flour, and zucchini. Zucchini is good for dogs. And this time of year, I have a lot of zucchini in my garden, so I'm trying to figure out things to use it for before it goes bad. I'm going to be making some zucchini lemon bread here in a little while. For humans, not for doggies. So this little cast iron skillet that's shaped like a dog bone, I had a viewer send it to me. For Bobbi Jo's birthday. Her birthday was April. So we got Bobbi Jo, who turned 4 in April. Carla May turned 12 in May. Then we have Jackson. We call him Jack. He's turning 10 tomorrow. which is Sunday, but this video won't post until Wednesday, so he'll already be 10 by the time y'all watch this video. Then we have Diane, who's going to be 11 in September. And we have Nolan, who is going to be, he's 5 right now, so he'll be 6 in January. Bobbi Jo, where you going with the paper towel, girl? Okay, so that is the big cookie that we're going to give for Jack for his birthday. Hey, leave it. And we didn't have to add any water or anything to it. That zucchini has moisture in the peanut butter. And then you just cut them. But I think Jack will like his birthday treats. Jack loves attention. He loves getting all these treats, and he loves getting new toys. He is so funny when he gets new toys. I posted a short earlier in the week of his new toy he got for his birthday, but I'll add it into this video at the end. Jack came to live with us, I guess it's been about 2 years now. No, it's been over a year. I think it's been about 2 years. Steve's uncle passed away, and Jack was his dog. We took Jack in. And he was an outside dog before he came here. And he took forever to get used to living inside. He was worried about getting on the furniture. And he was worried about, he wanted to sleep on the floor. And now he's got a doggy bed. And he likes the spot behind my recliner. He likes to make him a bed back there. But now he's got to where he likes to be in the recliner and be my lap dog. But he is a really sweet dog. He's a hyper dog. He doesn't act like a 10-year-old dog. He is a very energetic dog. He's outside with Diane right now. Carla Mae is in the living room. So I just have Nolan's laying down over here behind the camera, and Bobbi Jo's laying down over there on her bench. Okay. And I'll just roll this into a round biscuit. Now you can always brush a little olive oil over them if you want them a little crunchier. The oven is preheated at 350 degrees. And I could have just put this parchment paper on there. But we already have it like this, so we're going to go with that. Oh, Bobbi says, I might have to get up now. Leave it. It's not done yet. Leave it. Leave it. I say leave it, Nolan goes running in the dining room. He thinks I'm talking to him, and he wasn't even messing with anything. But here's our doggy treats, and then we've got the one here. And we got Jack's. So we're going to stick these in the oven. It'll take about 10 to 15 minutes for them to cook. We're going to let those cool for a few minutes, and then we'll let the dogs try them and see how they like them. I know they'll like them because they got peanut butter. Jackson has a birthday this week. He's going to be 10. I got him a duck. Crinkly paper sound, squeaker, and also got him a food bowl holder so he doesn't have to bend down for his food bowl. What do you think, Jack? You interested in that duck? Are you going to be happy to be 10 years old? You're getting a little old there, aren't you? But you still like your toys. He's taking it in the living room. Bobbi Jo, you got anything to say? Really? That was a very soft bark.